Hello, welcome to the PeopleSoft Updating an Advisor training video. In this video, I will be explaining the Student Program Plan page as well as the Student Advisor page in PeopleSoft. The Student Advisor page is used by faculty and staff to review or assign a student's advisor. Navigation to the Student Advisor page is Records and Enrollment, Student Background Information, and Student Advisor. Some important concepts to keep in mind to updating an advisor are: first, be aware of the student's program, plan, and program status. Here is the Student Program Plan page. And as you can see, the program is Dietrich School of Arts and Sciences, and the student is active in the program. If this status were to say completed or discontinued, the student would not appear on your advisee list. The second important concept is that any advisor can be added to any student. Third, only advisors associated with the student's academic program will have access to the student's information. Finally, the student may have more than one advisor. Now let's begin. Once logged into PeopleSoft, locate Records and Enrollment, followed by Student Background Information, and then Student Advisor. On the search page, enter the EMPL ID for the student you want to add or update the advisor for. If you are unsure of the EMPL ID, you can always search by first and last name. I know the EMPL ID, so I just type it in and hit search. We are now taken to the Student Advisor page. This is where the student's advisor are added and updated. Notice the effective date. This is the date when the advisor was made active for this student. Take a look at the required fields. You can see that the advisor role is set to advisor, and the advisor number is the order in which each advisor is listed. Because there is only one advisor for this student, the number remains 1. The academic career, program, and plan should be populated based on the student's program, which can be found on the Program Plan page in PeopleSoft. Now it's time to add a new advisor. First, you need to add a new effective dated row. To do so, just scroll up and click the plus button in the top section. As you can see, the effective date has been updated to the current date. If you would like the advisor to take effect in the future, you can change it by using the calendar. The advisor role, number, and academic career are carried over from the old advisor, so now we need to fill in the empty fields. I know that this student is in the Dietrich School of Arts and Sciences, so I simply type UA-S. This student's academic plan is English Writing, so I insert that next. If you know the advisor's EMPL ID, add the academic advisor by typing in the EMPL ID. If you are unsure, simply click the Look Up button and search for him or her by last and first name. I know the advisor's EMPL ID, so I type it in and hit Tab on my keyboard. This brings up the name. Finally, I just click Save. I scroll up and click the right arrow to see that the old advisor row is still maintained on the student's record, while the new row has been successfully created. To make sure this has been implemented, just log into your Advisor Center, My Advisees page, and you can see the student is now added. This concludes how to update a student's advisor. If you have any questions or would like to schedule additional training, please contact the Enrollment Services area in the University Registrar's Office at 412-624-7649 or registration@registrar.pitt.edu.